So I'm gonna start you guys out with this tour because there's actual space to hang out on this roof. It's great. Amazing. Most of the people around here have little outside areas, which is great in New York. So a little side over here. Come in. You guys, this is a beautiful building. Been cleaned. This is us here. Oh, wow. What a great unit. This apartment is amazing. Light in here. I'd like to get you guys some better views of this bathroom. I'm sorry the lights aren't on. Gas. Fridge here. This is room number 1. Got a little closet here. Room number 2. Looks like they're renovating in somewhere around here. They're doing some renovations, I think. A little shelving. I guess we'll come upstairs. To room number 3. This room is awesome. Because this room can go outside and hang. So now you're on the 3rd roof because that one's over there. This apartment's great, y'all. It's amazing.